Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make pudding biscuit. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of cold butter cut into small pieces, and 1/2 cup of milk. You will also need 1 small box of instant pudding mix, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, have 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water on hand. Now let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut in the cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the milk and the instant pudding mix, stirring until a soft dough forms. Remember, do not overmix. Gentle handling ensures light and fluffy biscuits. Time to shape and bake. Lightly flour a clean surface and turn out your dough. Gently knead it a few times, then roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter to create your shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Your delicious pudding biscuits are ready. Serve them warm with a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of caramel, or fresh berries. For a fun twist, try incorporating 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or dried cranberries into the dough. You can also experiment with different instant pudding flavors, like butterscotch or lemon, to create unique treats. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.